Disintegrate. To break into pieces, often due to decay, destruction, or being destroyed by force. Example 1. The old building began to disintegrate after many years of neglect. Example 2. The paper disintegrated as it fell into the water. Unkempt. Describes something or someone that is messy or untidy, usually referring to appearance. Example 1. His hair looked unkempt, as if he hadn't combed it in days. Example 2. The garden was unkempt, with weeds growing all over the place. Colossal. Extremely large or huge in size or degree. Example 1. The colossal statue stood tall in the middle of the town square. Example 2. The concert had a colossal audience, filling up the entire stadium. Sincere. Genuine or real, with no pretensions or deceit. Example 1. She gave a sincere apology after making a mistake. Example 2. His sincere smile showed how much he cared. Belligerent. Hostile or aggressive, often used to describe someone eager to fight. Example 1. The belligerent man yelled at everyone in the room. Example 2. The belligerent behavior of the protesters led to a violent confrontation. Atrocious. Extremely bad or unpleasant. Example 1. The food at the restaurant was atrocious, and we couldn't eat it. Example 2. His atrocious attitude made everyone uncomfortable. Ephemeral. Something that lasts for a very short time. Example 1. The beauty of the sunset was ephemeral, it disappeared in minutes. Example 2. Their happiness was ephemeral, lasting only for a brief moment. Eloquent. Fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Example 1. The politician gave an eloquent speech about change. Example 2. She wrote an eloquent letter expressing her gratitude. Pernicious. Having a harmful effect, especially in a gradual or subtle way. Example 1. The pernicious effects of smoking are well documented. Example 2. The company's policies had a pernicious impact on its employees. Ubiquitous. Present, appearing, or found everywhere. Example 1. Smartphones have become ubiquitous in modern society. Example 2. The logo was ubiquitous, seen on every advertisement.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.